Hi, and welcome to ScrapBrat. I am Cindy, and today we are participating in Flip Through Friday, and we are also doing hashtag crafts with kids, and Gwen the Trash Witch hosts Flip Through Friday, and we have a special guest today, and he is doing, this is Aggie, and he is doing
a flow book, the kids' book of craft love. And on the back, this is, it retails for $19.99 US.
Okay, put it back on
And $25.99 Canada.
Very good.
Canadian.
I'll help you hold it open since it's not been looked at.
So this book belongs to me.
Yes.
And Mommy. High craft lover. So, chapter 1, right.
Some envelopes in it, some special fold envelopes.
Ooh, those are going to be fun.
Those will be fun. Look at the rainbow. How pretty.
It's you.
It is, isn't it?
You're pretty.
Aw, thanks, Putty. Oh, little cards. Things that make me happy. Things that make me grumpy. You keep flipping, bud.
Oh, it looks like this is...
Oh, happy day. That's really cool.
And on the other side, it's orange.
Very cool. Very cool. And then it's got the months of the year.
Yeah. Months of the year. More months of the year.
Yeah.
More months of the year. More months of the year.
How fun.
More months of the year. More months of the year.
Yeah.
And pencil pouch. I need one.
That's kind of cool.
I kind of need one.
Oh, look, coloring pages.
Ooh, I like giraffe. That was the last... Oh, there's another. Dolphin, jellyfish, toucan. I love toucan. Oh, I love lizard. Scorpion, that's
pretty cool, isn't it?
We actually have a dried out seahorse.
Yes, we do.
Poor thing.
Poor thing. Well, yeah. Oh, there's a bunch of them.
Oh, more. What is this supposed to be there?
It says animal cards. I guess it's a game.
Yeah, I guess.
We'll check into it.
But let me see these. Oh, there's a chicken. We have chickens. They actually appeared in one of our videos, one of our past videos.
Yes. Okay. Giraffes, fox, beetle.
I don't like that beetle. That's a stink bug.
That is a stink bug.
I hate them.
Don't say hate. It's ugly.
Well, I'm not kidding. Oh, with squirrel water.
Yeah.
You love coos.
I do love coos. DIY drawing zone. Okay, this is kind of... Let's try to get past that a little bit. You know, you get some journaling pages, some stationery. And then we're back into adventure. 10 days of adventure. That's cool.
Ooh.
Look at that.
4 seasons coloring tree.
That's awesome.
And there's the other seasons.
Look at that.
1, 2, 3, and...
Color it in the
4.
different seasons. That's really neat.
So winter, summer,
Uh-huh.
and then October and the others.
And the others.
Well, October, that's actually a month.
Yeah, that's a month.
Chapter 2, make.
Oh, look.
Oh, it's a squirrel and... Oh, paper forest.
That's really neat.
I love paper
Aww.
forest. Oh, it's a birdie. One time a wren actually got in our house.
It did, didn't it?
That was actually just like 2 or 3 days ago.
It was. It was very recent.
Very, very recent. That's a nacho box. What is it?
I'm not sure.
Another nacho box. Ooh, bird! I love bird.
You do love birds. Oh, look at the stickers. Those are fun. Stickers are kind of shiny, but that's okay.
I like the shinies.
So you can make a mandala.
Oh yeah, Mandela.
Those are really cool.
Critter houses.
Oh, that'll be fun.
I want to do that in one of our next, or maybe videos before. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I don't know when they'll come out.
Turn over a new leaf.
A lucky unicorn pocket box. I'm gonna make that for you.
Aw, thanks. Here, there may be another page. Oh, there's a couple of pages we're missing.
Okay. Lucky unicorn pocket box again.
Oh, it's like a whole thing.
And that's
Embroidered
postcards.
Oh, that looks like your yarn and your needle.
Oh.
What is it?
It is yarn and needle.
Cool. Okay, let's put that to the side. We'll put it back in there. Well, go ahead and put that back in. I don't want it to stick to your stuff.
Here we go.
Okay.
Oh. There.
Okay. Oh, look. It has holes in it already, so you can stick your string through. That's really neat.
Origami butterflies.
Awesome. We have those in another book.
It's either an upcoming or past video.
Yeah.
I don't know when they're going to update or when they're going to post.
Yeah, that's okay. Here.
Rainbow chain wall hanging.
That'll be fun.
Wall hanging. More rainbow chain wall hanging. More rainbow chain wall hanging. Chapter 3. Play. Ooh.
That'll be fun. Look how cute that is.
I really want to make those.
I bet.
I can't wait until we can make those in
Yeah.
like one of our next or past videos. I'm not sure.
It'll be all right.
It'll probably be a next video.
Yeah.
Nature scavenger hunt #1.
That'll be fun. Aww.
Oh, it's all there. Design a stylish outfit for each of these furry friends. Designed by me or you. And there's a clothespin over there.
Yeah, it sure is. It's got different animals in it. They're not all bears. Oh my goodness, how sweet. Isn't that cute?
Wait, I was about to say, wait, a hippo isn't furry, but then I was like, wait, hippos are furry.
Ah, look at the monkey.
I love monkey. I love gibbon.
You do.
Wait, there's another hippo.
Yeah, they repeat. That's okay. That way you can do different outfits for them.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's quite a few.
Oh, there's a zebra.
Yeah.
I don't remember the zebra.
Very cute.
Now, oh, my back.
You're okay. This is stickers for something.
Oh,
it's a puzzle.
Oh.
There we go.
It's like a puzzle.
Yeah.
I really like puzzle things. What is that?
Celestial wrap bracelets. That'll be fun. A little animal box.
Animal puzzle cubes. Animal puzzle cubes.
Oh, you get to make the squares and then you put them on top of each other. That's funny.
Then you can, like you can put like a rod like in between them and then like turn them like different animals.
Yeah.
Make like hybrid animals.
Hybrid animals.
Daily mood tracker. Happy.
Yeah, we're gonna use that.
Yeah. Seascape in a jar. I really.
Like a little diorama.
I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, that'll be a good.
Basket of wishes. I'm gonna make that.
I'm gonna make all these things.
Basket of wishes.
Oh, that's for your basket.
Cut down calendar.
Countdown.
Oh, countdown calendar.
That'll be neat.
Oh.
It's got like different
months.
Yeah.
Or like little doors that you put stuff in, I guess.
Yeah.
And then countdown calendar inserts.
Oh, it's different things to do to slow down and to like enjoy.
Oh.
That'll be good.
Yes.
Yes.
The wind in your hair.
Yes, I think that'll be really good.
Paper leaf crown. I like leaves.
Yes.
Paper leaf crown.
That's
Paper
a lot.
leaf.
Ooh, that's shiny.
Wow, that's. Let me see.
Okay.
I want to see it on the camera. I want to make sure it's not too shiny.
It's fine. It's fine.
Kaleidoscope.
Ooh.
Kaleidoscope.
Leaf rubbings.
Leaf rubbings. What do you rub it off?
Yeah, well, you put a leaf underneath it, and then you take a crayon or a pencil, and you go over it, and it puts the impression of it. I haven't shown you how to do that. Oh, my goodness, I'm slacking. What is
Share.
Share.
That's chapter. Let's see.
Chapter 4.
Chapter 4.
Yeah.
Share.
These-
Paper, Panico, banner.
Yeah. It's kind of like how you make snowflakes, except for they're squares
They're squares.
or rectangles.
Yeah, some. Did you know snowflakes, they aren't all exactly the same like they are in movies?
Yeah, every one is different.
They're all exactly different, so there's probably been like one that has looked like that.
Yeah.
There's probably one that looks like that.
Yeah.
In Antarctica.
In Antarctica.
And full your own gift box.
Oh, it's got a little key cat on it.
I love keys.
Oh, look, there's another kitty cat.
I love keys.
Yes. Oh, look, they're all cats. How fun. Okay.
Paper flower bouquet.
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 English language. Oh, look
Paper
at
flowers.
that.
Oh, kitty. I'm gonna make one of them black. I know that.
Yes. We like black kitty cats.
We actually had one, but he's gone. I don't know where he is.
Oh, he just moved. He's our neighbor's cat now.
Yeah.
Spread
The joy.
Yeah, this is spread the light luminaries. We can put little battery operated candles in there. That's cool. Yeah. Okay. Origami friendship bracelet.
Ooh.
Same thing.
Curled paper flowers, and there's probably going to be another.
That's quilling.
Curled paper flowers, and I guess you put them in there.
Yeah.
Oops, skipped one. Doodle fill in shapes. This is doodle fill in shapes, and home is where the heart is. Place cards.
Home is where the heart is. Place cards.
That doesn't make sense to me for some reason.
Well, it's a place card, and it's the home is where the heart is. Whatever
Rainbow
that is.
drops garland.
That's cute. It's gonna be cute. Okay.
Rainbow drops garland, and that is the end.
No two pages are alike. That is pretty cool. What do you think of the book?
I think it's awesome.
You think it's awesome? Good.
Especially,
Glad you like it.
especially that little crocodile.
The alligator.
Yeah, the crocodile.
Can't wait for that, huh? Whoops.
This is what we need for it.
Yes. I think we're going to be having a craft project today. So we just want to say thanks very much for stopping by, guys, and hope you enjoyed the Flip Through Friday and our little crafts with kids. And until next time, you going to say it? Until next time, go out and do something to spread the joy.
Yes, do something to spread the joy, and much love.
Yes, much love, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye.